Packaging equipment. Types, functions, and applications. This video will take an in-depth look at packaging equipment. This video will cover topics such as: what is packaging equipment? Types of packaging machinery and equipment. Considerations for purchasing packaging equipment. Applications for packaging equipment. The benefits of packaging, and much more. Chapter 1. What is packaging equipment? Differences between packaging equipment and packaging machines. Costs associated with using packaging machinery. Stages to understanding packaging machinery cost. To understand packaging machinery costs, the following stages should be considered. First stage, questions to ask. What first comes to mind regarding cost? Does the purchase price outweigh machine performance benefits? How frequently will the machinery be utilized? What is the efficiency level of the existing maintenance team? Second stage, determining film usage. Third stage, determining the price per package. Negotiating equipment costs. Packaging machinery quotes. Considerations for purchasing machines. Preventative maintenance. Exploring different material formulations. Obtaining a machinery analysis. How packaging equipment functions. Chapter 2. What are the different types of packaging machinery and equipment? Packaging machinery. Filling machines. Auger or agitator filler. Vibratory wave fillers. Flow fillers. Tablet fillers. Positive displacement pump filler. Vertical form fill sealing machine, VFFS. Cartoning machines. Cartoning machines can be categorized into two main types. Pallet wrappers or stretch wrappers. Three major factors for optimal load containment include turntable wrapper, straddle wrapper, orbital wrapper, ring straddle wrapper, shrink tunnels, carded packaging machines. Blister packaging machines. Skin pack machines. Clamshell machines. Case erectors. Packaging equipment. Lasers for packaging. Laser cut. Laser engraving and marking. Package label. Pallets for packages. Marking process. Collaborative robots. Packaging suction cups. Types of packaging suction cups include flat, flanged, bellow, push-in, flower, Chapter 3. What are the key considerations for purchasing packaging equipment, and what are their applications and benefits? Important considerations for purchasing packaging machinery. A summary of considerations when purchasing packaging equipment are. These considerations can be further elaborated and discussed as follows. Buying direct versus working with distributors. Extreme temperatures. Environmental concerns. Moving the production line. Buying or leasing packaging machinery. Considerations that will help determine the best option for a packaging line include choosing a packaging machine and material supplier. Location. Technicians. Customer service. Cost. Parts. Applications of packaging equipment. Packaging equipment is used in various applications, including food, pharmacy, others. Benefits of packaging equipment. Packaging equipment offers several advantages, including production, total cost of ownership, speed, reliability, drawbacks of packaging equipment. Some of the disadvantages of packaging equipment include cost, landfill impact, production footprint, conclusion. Please visit www.IQSDirectory.com to find the right packaging equipment manufacturers for your needs.